track. Little tour on a 16L. Лестница наверх к бабушке. Так, поехали. Тут наши our bikes. My babies. Working spots. Oh. Nice Brazilian mahogany doors. Our altar. My working space. Here we come. Sauna. Washer dryers. Sauna. Finish. Gas burn. 80,000 BTUs. There are like 6 people. Alright. Here we come. We go into the big space. That's where we do ceremonies. In the garden. Dogs. We're checking out outside garden. Fall is coming. Nobody's outside. Alright, so the music studio. That's the main thing. That's what I did, like 6 contours here, heated floors. They go distributed with the separate motors, and it's 98 efficiency, 98% new gas burner things. So everything's going 2-inch PVC pipe, cold air, and the rest of the thing is automated by the brain and the valves. It looks complicated, yeah, it's the main breaker system here for the new building. So from here we're going to this by the stairs. Stairs is like railings 200 years old. Living this space. People work. Going up. Bedrooms, working cabinets, design like that. Some of them just like this. Kind of like a restroom here. So this is the new part of the building. This is the old one. Always locked, and it's the stairs going to the kids' room. It's also railing, old one, the rest of it's new. So look like this at the end. So we want it to look like the whole thing is here more than 100 years old. So this is the kids' floor. They painted the door. They designed the walls. Alosha's room. So he have his own thermostat. He have his own bathroom that he designed, and a lot of flowers here. So it's a new monster built across the street from us. So from here Well, stairs going down. This is the roof with the new AC systems. New AC going to the loft. Two gargoyles, Guardian, Chala and Ina. And then we're going to the grandma, to the loft, the last interesting place in the other part of the building. Here we go. It's another space here. One of the first was in the building. That's the bathroom we just finished with a skylight. And the loft. It's a bigger space. Here's the 90 years grandma sitting there. Gravitsapa. So she have her own little room here. And this is the piano bar. So basically that's it.